Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, today we'll discuss about data types. So in the previous video, we have discussed about undefined and null data types. I hope you understood that what is meant by the undefined and what is meant by null, the difference between them. So one more concept I have to tell about undefined and null. So let's jump into the code. So here, this is the code. In previous video we have discussed. Right. So now I will create one more variable called child. So for this child, I will give variable x into 2. Okay. You can take any number here. So I will console this. No, child. And we have to know the type of the child. And then we have to know the value of the child. So we'll see what will happen. It is printing nan, nan. Okay. And the data type is number. Why? How? Whenever the JavaScript engine is executing line number 71, it is finding the variable z is there. And for the variable z, we have assigned a operation called multiplication with two operands. One operand is x. X is a variable which is not having any value. Then it is a undefined. So undefined into we are multiplying with 2. 2 is a number data type, 2 is a value. So that's why the JavaScript engine is returning none. None means not a number. Okay, not a number. So and its data type is number. So what I'm trying to say is whenever the JavaScript engine is running this line number 71, it is written in nan. So but the this jet variable has some value which is not a number. Okay, you have to remember this. Whenever you are multiplying with any undefined variable, you will get nan. Okay, that means there is a value, but that value is not a number. Okay, and let's try with another case where I'm giving again for the jet. Now I will multiply with y the 2. Okay, what we can expect. See, now it is printing value 0 and the data type is number. Why? So whenever the JavaScript engine running this line number 18, same process, it will find the uh, variable z and assigned with the operation called multiplication, and the operand is y. Y means null. Its value is null. Null means 0. Okay. Always remember null means 0 or empty or blank. Right. So null into 2. So that's why it is written in 0. Yeah, 0 into anything is 0, right? The basic thing. And its data type is number. How number got printed? In the previous videos, I told you about this portion. Okay. Here the operator will uh, uh, convert this object into number data type. Okay. The y has a null value. So null value has a object data type. So now the operand multiplication will convert this data type of object into number data type. Okay, that's why we are getting number data type. 2 is already a number data type value. Right. I hope you understood about this concept. Thank you.